The podcast, the Wait for Aaron
podcast,
Wait for Aaron podcast.
I wonder if the sound is even recording. Oh yeah.
We are on.
Yeah.
We are on, yeah. Pending podcast.
Pending. What
Could be the best podcast in the world.
It could be.
It could be. What is he doing up there? What is he doing up there, mate? So it's really annoying me, this bit here.
Yeah, I know.
Is that annoying you? Yeah. That's really bad, like, annoying me.
Yeah,
I feel like telling him to come over. I might even start controlling him. He'd be like, what's going on? I could just turn him from downstairs, put him up.
Yeah.
I won't do that though, because he'll do it to me later. Lift him. That's what you do. I'll tell you what, all you need is Lighthouse Family. That's all you need. Put Lighthouse Family on, you feel good.
What was the song again?
Hi. Together, you and me. Yeah.
Alright.
Come on, Aaron, mate.
We should walk around and see if we can go.
Should we go have a walk around?
Should we go have a look?
Yeah, we've got to go around this way though.
Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you've been. Make sure you subscribe so you can be notified when the next video is out. If you've got any comments, please leave them below, and please give us a thumbs up if you're liking our content. Thank you very much for everyone who's supporting us on our journey. We're looking to grow our YouTube channel and showcase all the beautiful transformations that our team do on a daily basis. Click here to subscribe to our channel. Click here for some more brick cleaning videos. Click here for some roof cleaning videos.